Join me as I take on the challenge of finding new ways to make more money this month. Making more money isn't just about getting ahead, it's about taking control of your financial future. Imagine having the freedom to make choices, to travel, to invest, and to live life on your terms. For many of us, that's a dream, but it doesn't have to be. Let's talk about why increasing our income is so crucial. Stagnant wages and rising living costs are squeezing us from both sides. Your money doesn't go as far as it used to, and it feels like no matter how hard you work, you're just keeping your head above water. This isn't just frustrating, it's a serious barrier to financial growth. We all know that life can throw unexpected expenses our way: car repairs, medical bills, and without a financial cushion, those surprises can be devastating. The truth is, traditional ways of earning a living aren't always enough. Many of us are working multiple jobs just to make ends meet, or feeling stuck in careers that don't offer much room for advancement. And then there are the costs of living, housing, food, transportation, which seem to keep going up. It's no wonder that so many people are looking for ways to increase their income. But here's the thing, you're not alone. Millions of people are in the same boat, and there are proven strategies that can help. By taking proactive steps, you can break free from the cycle of financial stress and start building a more secure future. So, what can you do? One strategy is to start a side hustle, something you're passionate about, something that can potentially bring in some extra cash each month. Maybe you're a skilled writer or a talented artist or someone who's great with numbers. Turn that skill into a part-time business. Another approach is investing, putting your money to work for you so you can earn passive income. And then there's skills development. Learning new skills that are in high demand can significantly boost your earning potential. Take the example of someone who turned their passion into a successful business. Sarah, a talented photographer, started her business on the side while working a full-time job. She built a client base through social media and word of mouth, and within a year, her side hustle had turned into a full-time income. Today, she earns more than she ever thought possible and has the freedom to choose her own projects. Stories like Sarah's aren't unique. Every day, people are finding ways to increase their income and transform their financial situations. It often starts with a single step: identifying a need, developing a skill, or taking a risk. The key is to be proactive and stay committed. To recap, we've covered the importance of increasing your income, discussed common financial challenges, and explored strategies like side hustles, investing, and skills development. Taking control of your finances is within your reach. It's about making informed choices and taking consistent action. If you're making more money through a side hustle or investment, share your story with us in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tips on managing your finances and growing your income, check out our video on smart financial habits.